While everyone's busy with holiday shopping, caught up in the excitement of finding the perfect gifts and enjoying the festive atmosphere, there's something far more important that deserves your attention right now. The holidays are a time for joy, but they can also bring unexpected challenges, especially when winter weather strikes. Most people don't realize how quickly a snowstorm or power outage can turn a cozy holiday into a stressful emergency. FEMA just released winter preparedness guidelines you can't afford to ignore. These aren't just suggestions, they're critical steps to keep you and your loved ones safe when the temperature drops and the unexpected happens. Last winter brought record cold, power failures, and empty grocery shelves. Those who planned ahead did best. We saw families scrambling for supplies at the last minute, only to find store shelves bare and resources stretched thin. The reality is, emergencies don't wait for a convenient time, and being unprepared can leave you vulnerable. I'm Zach, prepping since 2012, and I've seen firsthand how a little preparation can make all the difference. Over the years, I've helped friends and family get ready for everything from blizzards to blackouts, and I know that even simple steps can mean the difference between comfort and chaos. In the next few minutes, I'll break down the 13 essential items FEMA says you need before winter hits. These aren't expensive gadgets or complicated systems, just practical, affordable things you can gather today to make sure you're ready for whatever winter throws your way. This isn't theory. These are proven, practical steps that have helped real families stay safe and comfortable during the harshest winter storms. You'll learn how to build a kit, what to prioritize, and how to avoid the panic that comes when disaster strikes. You don't need a bunker or a fortune, just the right items and a real-world plan. Anyone can do this, no matter your budget or experience. It's about being smart, not scared, and making sure your family is protected. Let's dive in and make sure your family is ready to face whatever this winter brings, so you can enjoy the season with peace of mind and confidence. First up, water. It's the most overlooked necessity until it's gone. FEMA says 1 gallon per person per day for at least 3 days, but aim for a week if you can. Use food-grade containers, label and rotate your water every 6 months, and don't forget your pets. Bottled water works if you're short on space. Just stash a few cases where you can grab them fast. Don't wait. Start storing water now. When preparing for emergencies, it's important to stock up on non-perishable foods your family will genuinely enjoy eating. Don't just grab whatever is on sale. Choose items like hearty soups, creamy peanut butter, crunchy granola bars, and cartons of shelf-stable milk. These foods are not only filling, but they're also versatile and can be eaten as snacks or quick meals. Think about what your family actually craves on a busy day or when you're stuck indoors. Avoid foods that require refrigeration, have a short shelf life, or need complicated preparation. In an emergency, you want to minimize stress, so stick to foods that are ready to eat or require minimal effort. Make it a habit to check expiration dates and rotate your stash every 6 months. This way, you'll always have fresh supplies on hand, and nothing will go to waste. If anyone in your household has dietary restrictions, such as gluten intolerance or food allergies, plan ahead now. Stock up on allergy-friendly or specialty foods so everyone has safe options. Comfort food really matters during stressful times. Familiar, easy-to-make meals like mac and cheese, instant oatmeal, or canned chili can boost morale and make everyone feel a little more at home, even in uncertain situations. Keep your pantry organized and take inventory regularly. Use labeled bins or lists to track what you have, what you need, and what's running low. This keeps things simple and prevents last-minute scrambles. Be honest with yourself. If you wouldn't eat a certain food this week, you probably won't want it during an emergency either. Only buy foods you know your family will actually eat. Think of your emergency food supply as your ultimate snow day menu. Comforting, familiar, and ready to enjoy whenever you need it most. Don't forget a manual can opener. Electric ones are useless in a blackout. Test it now and keep it with your emergency supplies. Show kids how to use it safely. Consider a backup. They're cheap and essential. This tiny tool can mean the difference between a meal and frustration. Add it to your kit and check it off. If the power's out, you'll need a safe way to cook. Portable butane stoves or sterno cans are great options. Never use outdoor grills inside. Carbon monoxide is deadly. Keep extra fuel stored safely and practice using your gear before you need it. If you can't cook, focus on ready-to-eat foods. But a hot meal can make a big difference. Alternative cooking is about comfort and survival. When the heat's out, staying warm is critical. Stock up on thermal blankets, wool socks, hats, and gloves. Layer up before you get cold. Block drafts with towels and blankets, and have extra bedding for pets. If you have a fireplace or wood stove, use it safely and ventilate properly. Thrift stores are great for affordable winter gear. Staying warm can be life or death. Don't take chances. When cell service fails, a battery-powered or hand-crank radio with no AA weather channels is a lifesaver. Keep extra batteries or a solar charger handy. Test your radio monthly and store it with your emergency supplies. Two-way radios are a great upgrade for family or neighbors. Reliable communication means you'll know what's happening and when it's safe. Skip the candles. Use LED flashlights, headlamps, and glow sticks for safe, long-lasting light. Rechargeable batteries and solar lanterns are smart backups. Keep lights in every bedroom and main area. Test your lights monthly and keep extras charged. Light brings comfort and security when the power's out. Plan ahead so you're never left in the dark. Emergencies don't wait for good weather. Have a well-stocked first aid kit with more than just bandages. Include a week's supply of any daily medications, plus extras for babies, elderly, or pets. Keep a printed list of medications and doses in your kit. Check your kit every few months and replace expired items. Medical prep can turn a crisis around fast. When the power's out, cash is king. Keep $100, $200 in small bills, split up in waterproof containers. Don't rely on your wallet alone. Stash cash in your kit, go bag, and car. Make sure everyone knows where it's stored. Rotate your stash so bills stay fresh. Cash gives you options when digital systems fail. Emergencies can separate families. Have a plan. Designate an out-of-state contact and set 2 meeting spots. Write down phone numbers and addresses, and give copies to everyone. Practice your plan twice a year so everyone knows what to do. Include elderly relatives and neighbors. They may need extra help. Sometimes you need to get attention fast. An emergency whistle is simple and effective. 3 short blasts is the universal distress signal. Teach your family. Clip whistles to keychains or backpacks and stash extras in your kits. Practice using them so it's second nature. This tiny tool can save lives. Winter storms can mean debris and dust. Stock N95 masks and sturdy work gloves for everyone. Keep them in a labeled zip bag in your emergency kit. If anyone has breathing issues, get specialized masks. Check masks yearly for fit and expiration. Protecting your lungs and hands helps you recover faster. Keep copies of critical documents, IDs, insurance, medical records, in a waterproof portable container. Make digital backups on a secure USB or cloud storage. Update every 6 months and make sure your family knows where to find them. Having these ready speeds up recovery and reduces stress. Getting these 13 essentials doesn't require a fortune, just a smart, step-by-step approach. You don't need to buy everything at once or feel overwhelmed by the process. Start by making a simple plan and setting a realistic budget that works for you and your family. Remember, every small step you take brings you closer to being fully prepared for whatever comes your way. Begin with the basics: water, food, and warmth. These are the foundation of any emergency kit. Once you have those covered, gradually add communication tools like a battery-powered radio and a way to charge your phone, as well as medical supplies such as a first aid kit and any necessary medications. As you build your kit, don't forget to include cash and small bills, copies of important documents, and protective gear like gloves and masks. These items can make a huge difference in an emergency, helping you stay safe and organized. You don't have to do it all at once. Buy a few items each week and make it a habit to check and test your supplies every month. This way, you'll keep everything up to date and ready to use when you need it most. Remember, preparedness is about taking responsibility for your loved ones, not about living in fear. It's about peace of mind, knowing you've done what you can to protect your family and yourself. To help you get started, I've created a free 90-day food supply guide. You can download it using the link in the description below. It's packed with tips, checklists, and meal ideas to make stocking up easy and affordable. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with friends or family who might benefit from these tips. Your support helps us reach more people and build a stronger, more prepared community. Winter's coming soon, so don't wait. Make your checklist today, gather your essentials, and take that first step toward being truly prepared. You've got this.